Hey, hello everyone. Today let me see how to install Kali Linux in the virtual machine. So I have come to Kali org, and if I look at the options, there are a lot. Installer images there for virtual machine, ARM. This is interesting. We have something for mobile also, but we will try it out in our next video. Cloud, live boot, so many things. Okay, first let me go to virtual machine. In the virtual machine, you have multiple options. So VMware, VirtualBox, Hypervisor, Hyper-V, and many more. And here you have the option of 64-bit as well as 32-bit. So nowadays, I don't think many are using 32-bit. So usually it will be 64-bit operating system. And if you look at that, there are multiple things. I have tried in VirtualBox also, and it works fine. But today I'm going to try it on VMware. I have VMware workstation, so I'll use this. So weekly stuffs are not required. Virtual environments, that's not required. So let me go to this one. And here they say 3.1 GB. Oh man, it is 3.1 GB. So it will take some time. So I'll pause the video for now and I'll get back once the download is complete. Then we will see how do we install Kali in our VMware. If you have any questions or if you have any concerns installing in VirtualBox, or if you want me to make any video on VirtualBox or any of the other hypervisors, let me know. We can do that. So usually what I have seen is VMware and VirtualBox are the two main players, I would say. Yeah. Okay, I'll pause the video here. So probably after 12 minutes or 10 minutes, once it completes, then I'll get back to you. So now the download is complete. So when you download, you will get this file, Kali Linux 24.320. Previously they had a different numbering system, but now they have moved into year and then .3. That means 2024 Q3 system has been downloaded here. Image. Not image, it's a virtual machine only. So VMware AMZ.7Z. So what you need to do is like you will have to use one of the 7-zip or any of the extractor and do extract here. So instead of wasting your time, I have already extracted it here. So this is the one. So now let's go to the virtual machine. Here I have a VMware workstation. Probably you can see here. VMware workstation, and it is for non-commercial use only. Okay, so in this, let me start with that. So there are two options. One, create a new virtual machine, open a virtual machine. This is the upgrade. If you have an ISO image, okay, then you have to go here and download it, and then you can do your own installation. Here, what we have got from Kali Linux, let me show you here. This is the virtual machine itself, pre-built, pre-built virtual machine. So virtual machine is already been built and given to us by the Kali org. So it's not an ISO file. It's an virtual machine already given. So I have to do open virtual machine. Which one I have to open? So this is the latest one, 24.3. Then I have to do open. Select the virtual machine which I need to do. Now it will take some time. There you go, you are ready. Now I'll edit the configuration. Okay, let me edit. You can change the name by the way, but let it be there as it is. Let me increase it to 4 GB RAM. I do have 4 GB, so that is one of the thing. Memory processor 4 core is fine. Hard disk it has taken 80 GB, that's okay. NAT network, that's also okay. That's fine. Now all other things are fine. Y 24.3, that's okay. So now your Kali Linux is already booting into one and go. Let's see. This is as simple as this. Just download the virtual machine. If you have your VMware, just point your VMware to the location and we should be ready. I remember in good old days when we used to install the Red Hat or the SUSE Linux and all other stuffs, it used to be a very painful process. Now with virtual machine and all this stuff, it is really easy for the learners. Of course, if you want to have control, then we can do that. And coming back to this, the built-in one, see if you see here, they are given. The image has a default credentials, Kali and Kali. So Kali and then login. I'm used to the old just plain blue screen with the dragon over there. Now it looks completely different. Yeah, so we have the Terminator and many of the things, information gathering. You have a lot of things assembled here. Okay, Docker is not there. You will have to install Docker. So I have created a different video on how to install Docker here. So I'll give the information or the link to the video there and you can look at it. But in general, this is what is your Kali installation and you are good to go. You have multiple things, forensic, post-exploitation and all. We'll get into all these things if we get time. Information gathering, you have Spiderfoot, Recon NG, you'll be aware, Nmap, NetDiscover, Maltego, a lot. Dimitri, whom do you remember if you look at this name? Put that in your in the comment section. Yeah, that's it. So this is the installation process which I wanted to show with you. So I hope you are able to follow and install the Kali Linux in your virtual machine. Thank you.